Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making lasagna and it's going to be a super easy recipe. Let's go. I'm starting with my favorite pot to cook spaghetti, lasagna, anything big and substantial. So what we're going to do is we're going to brown our meat, and I will list the ingredients right here. Let's get cooking. This is hamburger and Italian sausage mixed together. We'll have 2 pounds of meat. Add 1 medium onion, chopped, tablespoon of garlic, let's mix that all in. We're going to add in a teaspoon of pepper. A little less than a teaspoon of salt. And a lot of Italian seasoning. I love Italian seasoning in my meat. I take it and generally crush it through my fingers. In a large bowl, we're going to mix our mozzarella cheese, our ricotta cheese, I'm going to take and mix 2 eggs, pour it in. Now we're going to mix in some chopped parsley, fresh basil, and you want to chop this. Okay, now we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. This is fresh grated Parmesan. Okay, I've turned our sausage and hamburger mixture down to medium. We want to make sure it's on medium. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some, I canned this summer, diced tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is take the diced tomatoes and pour them in. This is 1 pint of diced tomatoes. Just going to stir this in. Now I also canned my own meat sauce this summer, and I will be doing a video on canning tomatoes later in the year. So I'm going to add this into the mix. This is 1 quart. So I'm going to add another quart because I really like sauce. I'm going to sprinkle in a pinch of sugar to take away the tomato acidity. And that's all you need. You want to mix that in. Your meat sauce is simmering. You want to take and get your pans ready. I bought these standard pans to make the lasagna in, since I'm going to be freezing them. They come 3 in a pack. You can get them at Walmart, and they were $2.90, I think $2.92. They do come with these lids. You put them foil side down when you're done. And we're almost there. I'm gonna get to start the assembly. Using oven-ready lasagna noodles to make this dish easier for me. First thing you want to do is take your sauce. Have a nice layer of sauce on the bottom. Take 2 noodles. What I need to do now is preheat the convection oven. Bake. Manual convection bake. Select. The temperature we're going to select is 375. Select. We open the door, close it, and start. And we're just going to continue with the assembly of our lasagna. My next layer is going to be the cheese. Use a slotted spoon now. We are going to top with mozzarella cheese. Okay. And just a sprinkle of Parmesan on the top. Alright, let's get the rest of them done. Now it's time to put our lasagnas in the microwave convection oven. I've placed 2 lasagnas on the bottom and 1 on the top. We need the air circulation. So what I'm going to do, because I know the turntable will not turn fully, I'm going to turn off the turntable, close the door, and start. We'll see in a few minutes. We're just taking it out of the oven now. Looks perfect. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Subscribe. It's free. And we'll see you next time. Bye.